Okay, so hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a mid-monthly journal energy check-in for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the end of this month, October 2025. Want to be reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. So let's start. Cappies, overall energy for Capricorn people for the rest of the month of October 2025 is, let's see what we have. We have the Empress, the Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Swords, and the bottom of the deck is the Lovers. Wow, this is good. This is good. So the energy that's available for you and you might not be aware of is the Lovers. You guys have to make a solid choice here, solid decision regarding a situation that includes maybe two people, two options, two situations, one that you are very infatuated and attracted to, and one that is actually right for you. Okay, you guys might be uh, pulled in totally two different directions, where one direction is putting you in this scenario of, okay, choose this situation that's stable, that's safe, that's long term, that's going to be there when you want it, okay, maybe for the rest of your life, and one that you are infatuated to, very much attracted to, but there might not be a surety of longevity in that. Hmm? Okay, on a conscious level, we have the Empress, Knight of Wands, and the Nine of Swords. There is some kind of bonding here where one of you is very stable, very mature, very grounded, very much sorted in their life, and they are just doing their own thing, loving their life, taking care of themselves, having a lot of energy of growth and expansion. It can be your energies too. One day, you are very much sorted, very much in alignment with your goal and your path, and you're doing your thing. The stars are aligned with your path, and you're doing just fine. Then next day, you're like, okay, this is boring. This is just a same routine, same continuity. I want fun. I want thrill. Hmm? And then when you are not able to find the balance between these two, you are getting stressed out like hell. You are losing your mind because you are not able to find the balance between these two. Either you are on this mature grounded state extremely, or you are in this, let me just ruin everything that I have created and have fun because I don't care anymore. And it's like, you want to have a balance, you want to find a balance, but you are not able to do that. Or there are two energies, two people here. One is stable, grounded, mature. They got their shit together and they know how to deal with life. Another is on and off, in and out. They're there 1 minute, they are not there next minute. And it's creating a very unstable kind of energy. And you guys are not able to manage it. So that's why this is stressing the hell out of you. But for most of you, this is your own energies on deep contrasting levels. One is sorted, everything fine, let's do it, compassionate, nurturing. One is like, I don't care, I just have to live my life. Choose. And it's both on the extreme levels. Let's see what was happening in the recent past, Cappies. Ace of Pentacles. So there was a brand new beginning, or there was a desire to have a brand new beginning in a direction where your stability was very much involved. It was mostly for most of it was related to money, job, career, and finances, but it can be any area. Okay, let me see current energies, Cappies. Five of Wands. There's some kind of inner conflict going on right now. There's a lot of chaos and conflict going on where you guys are not able to understand maybe why this is happening, but there's something that's making you go crazy from inside. Little bit anger, little bit frustration towards actually everything and everyone. Let me see by the end of this month what we have. Two of Cups. Wow. This is beautiful. Something is going to come together in a very nicer way, in a very beautiful, positive way. Okay, let's clarify these cards one by one in order to get the clear picture. Let's see. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles in the recent past for you guys. We have the Fool card, the Strength card, the World card. Mhm. So you were trying to take a risk in a particular direction of your life, but as the moment you were stepping in that energy, stepping in that zone, um, you just stopped. You were like, no, I should not do the stupidity. I want something stable. I want something long term. So maybe I want something slow but steady. So you pulled back. So let's say, for example, somebody told me an investment plan that's going to make my money from 20,000 to 2 lakhs in a day. And I was about to jump into that because it was very, very fascinating and I was very infatuated with the idea of going in that direction. Then suddenly I stopped because I thought this is not a good idea. Then I closed that chapter there only because I wanted something long term and I know long term things are going to take time. That was your energy in the recent past. Currently there is some kind of internal conflict going on. For some of you it might be you like other people are also around you and they are creating some kind of issues in your life, but mostly it's internal conflict. Okay, let's clarify this Five of Wands. We have the Knight of Cups, the Knight of Pentacles, the Ace of Cups. Okay, Knight of Cups, Knight of Pentacles, Ace of Cups. See, you are full of love and compassion right now. Your heart is totally open. Like you're like a 2-year kid right now whose energies are super open and vulnerable, but you don't know what to do with this. So that's why you're feeling stuck in your life. You're like, you have so much to give unconditionally to others, but you don't know how to do that. And that in itself is creating a lot of conflict. First of all, you're not able to give this love and compassion to yourself only. And then when it comes to the like sharing part with others, you're conflicted. You're like, okay, your mind is creating scenarios. Why to give unconditional love to others? Why to, make other people so important? Why to, love those who don't love you back? So it's like your soul is craving for unconditional energies, unconditional love, and you're overwhelmed. And then comes the practical mind where the mind says why? What's the use? What's the return gift? So because your mind is not able to make up the return gift story, it's like why to go in that direction? So this is creating a lot of conflict. By the end of this month, we have the Two of Cups. We have the Temperance, the Seven of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. This is just a temporary hiccup in your journey, Cappies. By the end of this month, you are going to be very patient. You are going to learn the art of being patient and not losing your temper. And your beautiful energies will start showing you good results. Slowly but surely, everything will start coming back to you in a very positive and sorted way. So basically, at the end of this, by the end of this month, your story is going to be beautifully written by the divine. It's like you getting your heart's desire fulfilled, or it will start getting fulfilled. Your cups are also going to get filled with love, with harmony, with peace, with a pinch of practicality and compassionate energy, and a lot of healing, hell lot of healing. It's not just healing, it's hell lot of healing for you guys. And it's going to make you feel freaking amazing. This might involve another energy too, Cappies. For some of you, you are getting engaged or married or something like that. It's like a life changing kind of a thing that's happening. It might be giving you anxiety or nervous energies right now, but by the end of this month, you guys will be all sorted and you guys will be all connected to each other on a beautiful level. So this overwhelming phase of your life that's going on right now is going to be settled in a very beautiful and positive way by the end of this month. And you are going to be content, you are going to be at peace, and you are going to be thanking the divine for this kind of energies. For some of you, it's your connection with yourself that's going to be so beautiful that you might feel that you don't need another energy to make you happy anymore. This is you versus you falling in love with each other, creating a very harmonious kind of chapter of your life. Awesome. I love these kind of readings. Let's see what we have as a guidance for you guys for this month, rest of the month, Cappies. Four of Cups. Right now, this is a distraction. There is some kind of disappointment or disappointments that you're facing because you're not able to figure out what's going on and how you should deal with it. But you will be eventually. So, this too shall pass, Capricorn. This is not your life. This is just a chapter of your life, a phase of your life, and that is definitely going to sort itself out as long as you're open and willing for the changes to flow into your life. Okay, everything is sorted, everything will be sorted. This is just a phase and it will pass. And when this phase is going to pass, it's going to be beautiful. So do not close your heart and do not close your energies, because right now you're not able to figure it out. Keep your energies open, keep your intentions pure, keep your energies unconditional and loving, and everything is going to come to you in a positive way. Okay, cool. Okay, let me see. Let me answer one of your questions related to any area of your life. Okay, you can ask any question. It should be one question only. Okay, I'm going to give you 20 seconds for the same. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, and ask your question 3 times in your mind space very, very clearly. Okay, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you the answer in the next 20 seconds, and your time starts now. So the answer to your question is get more information. Okay, honey, that's the answer. Thank you. Bye.